Hey, I'm going to be talking about tax preparation assistance program. This program was designed for people who already have a tax service set up and they need assistance in making sure that their tax returns that they are preparing for their clients are being reviewed and prepared properly so they won't make mistakes when it comes to filing them. And that way the clients won't be mad because the number one big mistake that clients don't want to see happen is that they make mistakes with other people's money slash refunds. So this program was designed to work with you to review each return to make sure you got all the paperwork, you got all the different uh, things needed for the tax return before you submit the tax return. So in an audit situation, you don't have to worry about trying to get that paperwork later, like birth certificates, social security cards, valid ID, and any and all forms of expenses and income based on what type of work they do. So if you got somebody who's self-employed, who might be a barber, all the income and expenses for that, the credentials that go with that if they got it. So if they don't have an EIN number, we suggest they get one. And so this program was designed for the person that already has a tax service set up, but they don't want the full mentorship experience, but they just want somebody on their team who can review each return to make sure they done accurately and professionally before they submit them. So if that's something you're interested in making happen for yourself inside your tax preparation service, then reach out to me 312-607-1978 or email me at info@workwthomas.com. Let's talk, let's chat, let's see if we're a good fit for working with one another because I would like to make sure that even though you have your tax service and you uh, may be confident in what you're doing, that you don't want to make the mistakes that all new tax professionals and tax preparers make when it comes to being in this awesome career industry of tax preparation and taxation. I want to be able to help you out when it comes to that. This program is also for people who might uh, want somebody to review their individual 1040 returns to make sure they be done correctly before they submit them as well. So you don't necessarily have to have a business to use the tax prep assistance program. Uh, just the desire and the willingness to have somebody review your stuff before you submit it to give you the confidence and the surety you need to make sure that the tax return is done accurately and professionally before you submit it. So those are the two groups of people that this tax preparation assistance program was designed to help. So if you know someone who might be looking for assistance with making sure their tax preparation needs done right, uh, send them to me. And if they become a client, I'll make sure you get a referral fee for you looking out like that. So my goal in 2025 is to make sure that all my coaching clients who start their own tax and accounting firm generates 50,000 or more in 12 months or less, and that's by doing the work, taking the necessary steps. The three areas we focus on are the knowledge and skills, because that's the number one thing that people come to us for. They assume we have the knowledge and skills to get the job done. Two, professional software is what we use to do the work with. So you want to be knowledgeable and good at using the software. And three is marketing and sales, because if you don't market it, you have no chance to make a sale, which means you have no way to make money. And so those are the three key areas that we focus on with the new tax professional slash tax preparer. So regardless of how you see yourself, if you're new and inexperienced and you want some help with that, reach out to me. Let's talk, let's chat. I would love to be there for you to help you make it happen in 2025. Uh, when it's all said and done, your success is all up to you and how you show up. I'll see you in my next video.